How to contact XE Money Transfer. XE is a foreign exchange company that provides real-time currency conversion, exchange rate data, and international money transfer services. It is widely used by individuals and businesses for checking exchange rates and sending money globally. To contact, you can go to this Contact Us page, then click on Chat Now. To chat, you have to log in your XE Money Transfer account. For general customer service, you can call at this number. For personal accounts in the U.S., you can reach them at this. You can email XE at this. That's how you can contact XE Money Transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching.